Hey everyone, it's lotolocktuesday. Welcome back to another Lotto Lock Tuesday. So today I have this Almencla lockout tagout padlock I found on Amazon. This one stood out to me because it had a slider design in it that I was curious to check out. So this lock features 5 sliders on each side for a total of 10 sliders, and is actually rather challenging to get into. At least until I found a little kind of exploit. I'm not sure if it's a security feature or if all slider locks have this. We're actually going to start this off with a gut, and we're going to do the pick afterwards. I want to show you guys what's up with the core here and why I'm going to pick it the way I'm picking. So when I first got this lock, I tried to pick at the sliders like I thought you were supposed to, and I got nowhere on this lock. Absolutely nowhere. So I discovered it was guttable and decided to open it up and maybe try progressive pinning it. And that's when I realized that the bottom of the keyway is actually open, and like you can actually see the wafers all the way through to the bottom. So there's just a little clip on the back of here with a thin little pick. You can shove it up the front. And watch that thing doesn't go flying across the room. Okay, so this is what our core looks like. See, the key pulls all the wafers down to the shear line. This last one here is just the retaining clip. But let's see if I can pull one of these out here. I think that was the front one on here. It is a totally rectangular design, so what I'm going to be doing, instead of picking at this little nub here and trying to lift it, instead I'm going to be using my pick to push down on the bottom of it, and I'm going to pick this like a traditional wafer lock, just with 10 very tightly spaced wafers. Alright, hopefully I can get this back together. Okay, that still feels good. Key still seems to work. I believe it is this way it has to go in. Come on, there we go. Okay. That's back together and working. Never remember which way it's supposed to go back into this body. Let's see if we got it. Okay, yeah, screw goes there. Yep, half moons line up like that. Haha! Did it on the first try this time. Alright. So we again have, uh-oh. Okay, I thought we had a functioning lock. Was this screw not seated all the way? Felt like it was all the way in. Why is that? I don't know why it wants to come out a little bit. Definitely should not be doing that. Okay. Well, not sure what's up with this lock, but now it's back together. Alright, now we have a functioning lock. So let's get all this out of here, and I will try to get it picked for you. Where's the tensioner I was using? Okay, I think I was using this one. No, flip it around this way because we want all of the little nubs on the bottom. Make sure we're not picking any of them up. And we're just going to go stabbing at the top of the keyway to try and set all of these wafers. Definitely not very good at picking wafer locks to begin with, and considering the wafers are like grouped and touching each other, it makes it really hard to find a specific wafer. So I kind of just go around stabbing blindly until things start to feel set. Yeah, it's really tricky to get the back wafer in each of the pairs. Kind of have to rest your pick up against it and... oh. Kind of rest your pick up against the back and lever the pin up without touching the one in front. Now the really nice thing about this lock is there is no spring tension on the core. So you don't really lose any of the wafers that you've set properly, and it's really easy to recover from oversets. You just let up on the tension and whatever falls back down was overset. Sorry I'm not doing much in the way of lock chatter, but it's really hard to figure out which wafer I'm really even on. Really is just like a bunch of stabbing at the roof of the keyway until it finally opens. Okay, move my tensioner there. Definitely overset that wafer. Okay, so that one is set there. Ooh, so I have had a bit of a success picking the last few of them, actually picking on the nubs. I'm gonna try attacking the little nubs here for a while. Sometimes there's one wafer that's just set way higher or lower than its the other nub directly opposite from it. So it's really hard to set the pair of them. Hmm. one more stab at the nubs here. See if we can get something. No, I can't get it. I've gotten this before. Oh, there we go. Holy cow, that only took an eternity. Alright. Well, through a combination of raking, single pin picking, and desperation, we've finally picked into this Almencla lockout tagout padlock. Ooh, that was one heck of a battle. But we got it. Persistence most certainly pays off. Alright, well, thank you for sticking in there and watching this really long lockout tagout Tuesday. I'd like to say it was fun, but my hand is definitely hurting. I'm gonna have to take a break after this one. Alright, so if you liked what you saw, don't forget to like, leave a comment, and subscribe. And as always, have a good one.